Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Jack Russell that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Royal Canin Jack Russell Terrier Adult Dry Dog Food. Royal Canin Jack Russell Terrier Adult Dry Dog Food stands out as the top pick for your energetic small dog's dietary needs. This 10 pounds bag of dry dog food is expertly formulated to meet the unique requirements of Jack Russell Terriers, focusing on maintaining muscle mass, supporting dental health, and ensuring a shiny coat and healthy skin. The specialized kibble design makes it easier for small breeds with strong jaws to pick up and chew their food, promoting oral health through tartar control. With optimal protein content and antioxidants, this diet supports vitality and helps keep those muscles lean and ready for adventure. Owners have noticed remarkable improvements in their pets, energy levels, and overall well-being after switching to Royal Canin. Stories abound of older dogs regaining their youthful zest and coats that gleam with health. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe with roasted bison and venison is a top pick for small dog owners, especially those of energetic breeds like Jack Russell's. It earns its spot as number 2 on our list because of its high-quality ingredients that cater to the nutritional needs and natural preferences of small dogs. The real meat from roasted bison and venison provides a rich source of high protein, essential for supporting lean, strong muscles in active dogs. This grain-free formula also includes species-specific Canine strain proprietary probiotics, along with antioxidants and prebiotics to promote healthy digestion and immune system health. Small dog owners appreciate this product not just for its quality ingredients, but for how well it suits their pets' needs. The addition of sweet potatoes and peas offers highly digestible energy ideal for keeping up with Jack Russell's boundless energy. At number 3, we have the Hills Science Diet Small and Mini Breed. Hills Science Diet Small and Mini Breed stands out as a top choice for owners of small dogs, such as Jack Russell's, who demand the highest quality nutrition. Recognized number 1 by veterinarians and made in the USA from globally trusted ingredients, this dry dog food offers a unique blend tailored to meet the needs of your lively companion. With high-quality protein to maintain lean muscle and omega-6s, along with vitamin E to ensure a glossy coat and healthy skin, your pet remains vibrant and full of life. The small kibble size is perfect for tiny mouths, making mealtime an easy and enjoyable experience for your dog. It features easily digestible ingredients formulated specifically for small breed stomachs, promoting optimal nutrient absorption without causing distress. Furthermore, Hill's proactive approach includes a proprietary antioxidant blend supporting a robust immune system, which is crucial for maintaining lifelong health in adult small breeds. At number 2, we have the IAMS Adult Minichunks Small Kibble High Protein Dry Dog Food. IAMS Adult Minichunks Small Kibble High Protein Dry Dog Food is a game changer for small dog breeds. Like the energetic Jack Russell, packed with real chicken as its first ingredient, this 30 lb bag offers not just a high-protein meal, but also ensures your furry friend gets all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy heart and strong immune system. The smaller kibble size is perfect for tiny mouths, making mealtimes enjoyable and easy. Owners will appreciate the well-thought-out formulation that supports whole body health, from promoting healthy digestion with natural fiber and prebiotics, to enhancing coat shine and skin health thanks to omega-6 fatty acids. Furthermore, IAMS's commitment to zero fillers means every bite contributes to your dog's vibrant energy levels and overall well-being. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nulo Freestyle Small Breed Dog Food. Nulo Freestyle small breed dog food stands out as a top-notch choice for your energetic Jack Russell's nutritional needs. Manufactured in Austin, Texas, this premium adult and puppy grain-free dry kibble is specially formulated with small dogs' higher metabolism in mind. It boasts an impressive 84% of protein from real meat sources like salmon, turkey, and lamb. This high meat-to-low-carb ratio ensures your furry friend gets the amino acids necessary for lean muscles and a healthy heart without unnecessary fillers that could hinder their diet. Small breed owners will appreciate the thoughtfully sized smaller kibble, designed to encourage proper chewing while making it easier for little ones to digest. With added L-carnitine and miscanthus grass, weight management is effectively improved, a crucial aspect considering the active nature of Jack Russells. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.